gotta shoot us assholes. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning in to the live stream. And man, yeah, let's go over today, bro. Like, yeah, today was a great day, man. Hold on. Cool. Should be good. All right, so maybe I'll try one more on this live stream, but yeah, it's been a great day so far. All right, 1 second. I'm gonna pull up pretty much everything here, and then yeah, we're gonna get started. We're gonna go over what happened, what's also happening, and yeah, we're gonna see how things play out for today. I think we're on live. Let's see. Yo, what's up, everyone? We're back at it, guys. So yes, we will be going over maybe we'll go over one more trade. That's what I kind of want to see. I might end up taking these Teslas if we end up getting that. Hold on, I gotta pull up all these other charts here. All right, one second here. All right, 1 second here, guys. One second, guys. I'm here. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. My bad. I'm helping out a couple other members really quickly, and then we'll get started of what happened today. And dude, yeah, it was a fight today. I will say, it was a fight today, bro. We had a couple good ones though. I will say. So, we'll go over it. Hold on, give me just 1 second here. Just helping out a few other members, really quickly. Dude, yeah, the queues. All right, so yeah, this was the queues. I had to get out of this one, and then I had to re-enter in on this one. The first time I scalped it, so it was fine. But honestly, I wanted the full move. I was like, screw the scalp. I want this full move here. And so I actually tried this on a... 1 second here. RVN about to pop, dude. Hold on, let's see. I don't even have the chat up. Let me see if I got put this chat up here. All right, yeah, we're good. Tesla put. Yo, Rodrigo, what's up, man? Good morning, bro. So yeah, Tesla. This is what I see here. So obviously this was the first play to this upside. We had this clear gap down, and then we ended up, dude. Yeah, we ended up breaking above our wall here, which made it valid. We ended up going up first, and then, yeah, it gave a nice little pullback for that little entry there, and then, boom, we ended up touching that first and final TP. We went even higher, so we went up to that. We almost went up to 500, so that was pretty crazy. Obviously now, so to this downside here, I'm looking under that 485, so that's that next little play that that I can see that I like. It really looks good. Thinking we could see more Qs come back down for us. Honestly, for the Qs here, man. All right, so we'll go over this. We'll go over this. And I wanted the full move, actually. 1 second here. Alright, so, yeah, this is what I had here. And it was great. So, what I saw this morning, clear gap up, no consolidation. Like I said, I did not want to take those calls. If I would have took those calls, I would have been cooked. I get it. Yeah, we still had a lot of empty space, but I didn't want to chase, bro. But yeah, you can see, yeah, we had this clear gap up. I'll be honest, I did try this 5-minute close. It was this one, actually. It was this close. We closed under it just perfectly. And dude, I'm not gonna lie, I tried it. We were going down. It looked good. I ended up trimming, and then the rest did get stopped out. So I was like, man, screw that. I want the full move, and I pretty much just waited for that same time frame close. We ended up closing on that 30-minute. I let it do a little retest, see how it wanted to react, and then once we reject it, we were in. And then yeah, we hit that first TP. So that first TP officially did end up hitting. Finals at 617. So I'm not gonna lie, I trimmed most of it. Like, you know, if it does want to go down, cool. If it doesn't, that's fine. But yeah, it's been like a fight for that one, I would say. Yo, Vic, exactly, bro. Exactly, man. So that's why I say, like, okay, re-entries are fine. Like what I tried this morning, had a little nice scalp. But that scalp wasn't like much. It was decent. It was okay. But I wanted that move, 30-minute, closed under. I took it. Boom. Yeah, Glock, it definitely was. So I'm done with the Qs today, man. I'm done. So yeah, that was this play here. So you can see pretty much that play that we had. Clear gap up, no consolidation. And then yeah, we ended up breaking. He said, I don't have... Dude, exactly, man. So I only see it going down, and then I kind of just trimmed up, and then I let the rest ride. So that's why I always do like to re-enter. All right, let's see here. Q's was a good play today. Yo, Fabby, yeah, it was great. I think after you sent me that hat picture, yeah, I think I had to lock in. I was like, yeah, today's gonna be a great day. Hold on 1 second, guys. All right, sorry about these weird comments. But yeah, I mean, if we end up continuing 617, I don't care if it happens. But yeah, that's that. So yeah, that was that first little play here. Clear gap up. I knew it wanted it. I was spamming the chat pretty much the whole time about this one. And said QQ closes in 4 minutes. Been playing around, looks good. But I did tell him don't full port on this. But yeah, it was great. All right, cool. All right, now that we're done with the Qs, well, let's go ahead and hop on. So this play was the play that played around the most. These other plays that we had, wow, Tesla's having that push back up. The other ones did great. So like IWM, this was clear gap down here, no consolidation. We end up getting that break above, and yeah, man, the rest is history. So so we hit my first TP. Finals at 255. So yeah, it looks good. So this was also another play that we ended up posting here. So this was that play. Clear gap down there. You can see this morning what ended up happening, and told them like what 6 minutes after market open, trying lottos, just let it ride out. So let it ride out or get out there, and then you can see where we pretty much were. So and then yeah, so nice little play there. We hit that target. 255 is that final for me if it happens. If it doesn't, I don't care. So yeah, shout out Jesus, man. Great day. I'm just grateful for what we did. Yeah, I was in IWM even after I divorced her. Honestly, it just looked too good. Like, we had empty space, And yeah, I was like, yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I've got 5 in there still. Fire, fire. Yeah, so 255, that's that final for me. Yes, I'll be completely honest. We got, hold on. We still got empty space up here, so, this is that little next leg up. So maybe I'll try one on, hold on, let's see. So we got another little leg up. So I personally won't take this, but it looks good. How dare you? IWM is my boo. Yo, Roger Stein, what's up? What's up? So yeah, it's nice. It was nice. Next leg up of that 256. We got empty space up to this 257. So actually looks really, really good. Hey nephew, yo, good to see you once again. Thanks for being here. I really think that 255 might hit today, which is wild to say since we already did good. What's your thoughts on snow, dude? Yeah, we can go over that too as well. No worries, man. Yeah, that's still going crazy. Yeah, that's wild. So yeah, if we continue 255, so I already have my alerts on it. We already trimmed up nicely on this, so I could care less if it doesn't want to go, but if it does, another little ticket for me. All right, so Q's. Can I do SOFI NVDA? Yep, got you guys. And if you have any requests, now's the time to drop these in the comments. I do want to try one more on live. We'll see how things play out. All right, so Hood still might give this another day or so. We'll see how things play out, especially if we can get a nice close. All right, so SOFI. All right, cool. NVDA. ANF is trying for my first TP officially, so everyone knows about this, but we already alerted this in the chat. So my alert already went off, but 127, so we need about like $3 up more, and then yeah, we got that empty space there. All right, let's get straight to it, guys. My bad. I'm looking at all these other chats too. All right, cool. All right, IWM, we already know about this. We'll just set these targets here, so if the rest get out, it's fine. Keys, we already know about this. Spy, Tesla, okay, SOFI. All right, so SOFI, I kind of like this, or actually I do like it a lot, but I kind of want to see it to the end of the day. So what I see here, same thing, clear gap down, no consolidation. I'm glad this did not happen just yet because I was occupied in a couple other trades. But yeah, above that 27.79, we do got empty space up to that 29.21 area. So I still like it. It looks good. Hold on. I gotta put this. I need to charge this. But hold on. Alright, hold on. Let me see if it'll charge. Alright, we're good. Alright, hold on. I'm trying to find a good playlist right now. Okay, cool. Alright, yeah. Looks good. So about that 27.79, empty space above us. Honestly, gonna look at this end of day. I don't think it's gonna happen now, which, as you can see, it's not. All right, so, but yeah, great day. You can see what a couple people did inside the Discord. Obviously, Leah, I think she ended up swinging this one, but yeah, that target ended up hitting. QQQ, puts, waiting for the rubber band. Green Day starting the week good, so yeah, pretty good day, man. I have no other words, and it looks like we're still trying. Hold on, I got my contracts. Can you do snow? Okay, yeah, I got you. One second here. All right, so snow and CLH, let's do it. Yo, appreciate all the follows. All right, so CLH. I don't have my alert set, so I'm glad you said something here. This actually looks good. CELH, yeah, looks good. What I do want to see is right above us, above this 45. Alright, so yeah, my bad for reading all the shaft and stuff. But yeah, dang, that's a good song. That is a really good song. I really like that song. Alright, might cry a lot. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, above that 45-32, empty space is above us, so kind of want to see if we can break and close outside that box. End of day, and then empty space up to that 58-51. So it looks good, I'm not going to say. What platform do you use to trade? So, obviously, TradingView is how I go over all my analysis. Webull, TradeStation, those are the ones I do like. I do have a couple other ones that I do use, but those are my main ones, I would say. Yo, Fabby with it again, bro. Look, she got me with like pause, but she got me with my mouth all the way. Yeah, that's crazy. You can't even see it. Yeah, you can't even see it, but yeah, it's there. She got the glasses on. Alright, let me change this playlist, so I do need to focus. Alright. Alright, yeah, we changed the playlist. We're gonna get this continuation here. So yeah, above that 45-32, empty space is above us, which looks good. Snow as well. So, on snow, let's take a look here. 20. Alright, hold on. So to this downside, I would want to break under that 213.33. To this upside, I do see that, let's see here. So, yeah, it looks like we got some empty space. Honestly, let's get rid of this. Let me see. Okay, actually, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. I do want to do this here. So, we got a box here. Right above, so I seen basically 2 points of contact here. If I can grab this horizontal line. And yes, right above us there, we do got empty space up until this 249 level. So, yeah, clear gap down, no consolidation. Empty space above us. Top, bottom all there. Looks good. You know what? It actually looks really good. Alright, snow. Yeah, I'm going to add that to the list. So I think we already added like 3 or 4 plays to the list today. So it actually looks really good. We'll see how things play out. right, so yeah, that's there. Looks good, looks decent. CLH, we did that. IWM, we're still trying to see if we can reach that final TP. Looks good. I'm in snow now. Dude, yeah, honestly, if we can clear this, Ampy Space is technically above us. So, yeah, I'll look at that closer to end of day. 4 hour also looks good as well. We might have a little bit of turbulence at this 228. But, yeah, if we can break through that, yeah, it looks good, man, for sure. Yo, AJ, thanks for the gifts. Really appreciate it, guys. And Fabby with the sunglasses, of course. All right, so that's there. QQQ. We already did that. We already established that. I could care less about this trade. Let me see. Spy. Hold on. All right, hold on. Okay. This actually doesn't look bad here. I don't know if I'll take this right now at this second, but so yeah, it looks like I missed this one, but it looks like we created another box here, and then if we do end up continuing, we do got this continuation. First that 685, and then let me see. Up to this oops, I don't mean to do that. So yeah, up to that 685. Looks like we got another break here. So I kind of already missed it. So I kind of want to see in the next like 20 minutes or so if we can get this break and then that continuation to the upside. So looks really, really good, really dandy. Let's see here. Yeah, this one might just end up continuing. This one might just fly. Upside, I still wanted that downside. That downside looked really good. But yeah, looks like we can hit that 684 if that ends up happening. Let me take a look at the Qs really quickly too. So we're pretty much at this wall. Hopefully no one's still in that play. So that downside already kind of happened, which was great. Let's see, SPY. All right. Yeah, it looks like we could end up continuing. All right, let's see here. But yeah, you guys can see the plays that we had today. I didn't get to post what we did, but you can see pretty much the aftermath of what happened. Q's puts. Boom, you can see what a few members did there. So nice little day today. You can see what happened on IWM. It did its thing too as well. Shout out to Aaron for catching that too as well. So we'll see. Snow looking good. End of day, already got that written down. There is a couple other ones I want to look at. Hold on. S-Bucks. All right, IWM still trying here. Dang, we're still moving. We're still moving, baby. So 255, that final. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get in to any trade, so please do your research before doing anything, of course. Let's see if there's any lower time frame turbulence. No, looking good. It's looking good. I don't see anything to stop us, which is crazy. So yeah, still got empty space here. I'm only in ladder runners though, so is it bad to chase now? For me, yes. I will be honest. After my first TP hit, or let's just say if we we're close, especially to my final, I definitely don't like to chase. I'll just leave the play. So there will be plays. I think there was I forgot what play. We were looking at it this morning, but I ended up missing it, and I just didn't chase into it. Yeah, so I would just let it build some structure. Same thing as Glock said. I mean, yeah, we still got the empty space above us. But for me, I just don't like chasing. But yeah, you can see this was a play from this morning here. Shout out to all the members here. Shout out to Able Tech as well. Hold on, let's go ahead and give these guys some likes. You can see what a few members did there on those QQ puts. So yeah, that was a fight this morning, man. But I'm glad we got it, bro. So yeah, sometimes you may miss a move, which is fine. There'll always be more. So I have my alerts pretty much set. We'll see though. All right, DraftKings. I still like this. Kind of want to see end of day if we can get it. I don't want to be stuck in chop right now. So we actually did this one on a 4-hour. And yeah, right above us. Hold on, let's pull up this chat here. Yo, Sonia, what's up? Appreciate you tuning into the other chat. So above that, 3613, empty space above. Dang, IWM is pushing here, guys. It's pushing. It's pushing. We might be getting that final, guys. Here, let's see it. Yeah, we might get it. We might get it. We might get it. We might get it. We might. Just maybe. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I kind of want to. I'm still holding some runners though, so I have my alert set if they don't go. Will I be swinging this? Absolutely not. 255.19. That's my final. I will be honest. Yes, there is more legs up, so we could end up seeing up to 256 and then 257. But I'm a happy camper today. I'm a happy camper. Hopefully everyone else is too. So yeah, we're still pushing. We're still pushing. All right, maybe I should send a. I'm good at 255. Yeah, exactly. I'm good at that. If we can hit it, I'll do a dance. All right, I'll do a dance if we can hit it. But we already did well on it today. Maybe I should send a chat in. Hold on, give me a second here, guys. And yeah, just remember, do your own research before doing anything, of course. Yeah, Leah, you got to do a dance with me since you did great with us on it. So shout out to Leah as well. She ended up smacking that. You can see what happened on the Qs. So Qs puts was amazing. We did our thing on that. Shout out Abel for hitting that QQ play with us, and yeah, man, beautiful. QQQ just yeah, Myra, it's crazy. I actually got so yeah, we ended up I got in the first time. I scalped just a bit of it, and then the second time we smacked that. I told the team, I was like, look guys, I could care less about the smack. I want the full thing. I'm just glad we ended up getting it. So just blessed. All right, I'm just gonna put my alerts here pretty much here. Yo, Royal, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. All right, let's see here. All right, QQ, we're pushing back up here. Hold on, I gotta send a couple more alerts. Hopefully everyone's already trimmed up. If you know, you know. Hold on, I gotta send a couple messages. Give me 1 second here. Alright, cool. Check out, yo, Lisa, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Spy going crazy? Is it going crazy right now? Let me see. Yeah, it probably should, but hold on. Yeah, Spy. Okay, yes, yeah. Spy went crazy. Like I, ended pretty much charted on. I didn't take this move, so I'm not even gonna lie to you. Just like this move, I ended up missing this move to the upside just now. we had this box. I seen us, going up. I didn't, want to chase it. I wasn't, I didn't see this move until now. You can see we ended up hitting that first little target, that 684. Finals at 685. I was actually waiting for this next leg up here. So, we did this on a 30-minute chart. And I did end up seeing that above that 685, we got empty space up to the 687. So, looks really good. So that's that little next move there. You can see that target ended up hitting. All right, hold on. Let's see. All right, we got alert set on everything. Check out Walmart's WMT. Let's see here. Fig, F-I-G. All right, cool. Did I look at Lift? I did not yet. Not yet. So, yeah, we're going to leave this up, though. Let me see. Lift. L-Y-F-T. All right, cool. All right, you might be on something. I have a line there for some reason. Hold on. Give me a second. Just give me a second here. All right, you guys and gals might be on to something. All right, IWM, stop playing with me. You did well today, so thank you for the gift. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, I'm writing that down, so. All right, cool. I will be honest, I got like at least 5 or 6 entries that look good. So yeah, above that 2060 looks decent. IWM 255. Let's see it, baby. Let's see here. WMT. Let me see. Walmart. Yo, that looks crazy. That looks crazy. I'm up 25% on snow. Yo, let's go, let's go. Keep up the great work, man. Are you on spy calls? No, I'm not. I ended up missing that move. Obviously, 685 is that final. I am in some on IWM, though. So, this was a play from this morning. So, yeah, you can see clear gap down, no consolidation. You can see when we posted it. Hold on, let's see. So, yeah, this was right before market open. Gave the members what I was looking for, pretty much. Clear gap down, the level that we needed to break above, and then, yeah, we ended up pretty much getting in. So, don't be very careful. I do know how IWM likes to play around. But, yeah, it looks like we're trying to hit that 255. Oh, yeah, that's looking good, looking good. All right, yeah, Walmart. All right, we're gonna add that. We're gonna add that for sure. Yeah, so under this 113. So basically, what I seen here was a body candle, wick, and then yeah. So that's my points of contact. If we can break that end of day, looks good. Looks really, really good. Yeah, I definitely would end up taking that if we can get it. Not too bad, not too shabby. Let me see here. So W. All right, cool. Yeah, so under that wall, under that box, it looks decent if we can get that little entry there. IWM, we'll see if we can hit that 255, 19. What do you mean if we can get it? So yeah, since it's on a 24-hour, I personally will wait for a 24-hour candle close. So basically, I would be looking for a end of day trade on this. So the last 30 minutes, the last 5 minutes before market closes, this is what I would look for the downside. So if we're inside the box, that means we can't get it. You know, there's no entry. If we break outside our box here, we have the entry to this downside. So kind of like how, you know, we had this little setup on the Qs. See Q puts, and you can see where we were. So I called out these Q puts. I didn't say anything about those calls. We had Tesla though. And then yeah, empty space was under our wall there. So obviously the first time I tried a lower time frame close, the lower time frame close didn't want to work, and had to get stopped out. And then we just waited for that next 30-minute candle to close under. So we closed under, and then we ended up touching both TPs, or at least that first TP. So that's what I will be looking for. So yeah, you don't have to rush into trades. Like you can see, shout out Abel, he ended up hitting that with us. We end up giving the entry. We kind of just had to hold it, man. And so you can see what he did there. You can see what Fabby did. QQQ puts, baby. Green Day starting off the week good. So you can see what she did there. You can see what happened on IWM. So a lot of our trades, you know, just stay patient. I don't have to, you know, I don't like forcing myself into trades. Like I can't do it, man. I just don't like being stuck in chop. So for this, I'm just gonna wait. End of day looks good. Yo, Pooper Media guy, what's up, bro? All right, yeah, we'll go over it. All right, so it looks like we're trying to pull back here. What's the downside on Nike, MECR, and Hood? Yep, gotcha, guys. 1 second here. So yeah, Walmart looks good. We'll see how that plays out. End of day, Snow. Let's see here, Snow, Nike too. So we didn't do Fig. We got to do Fig as well. And yes, we do have a Discord if you want to join. Link is in the bio. Just make sure to do your own research if you do plan on it. And yes, you can see we do have these codes that will be ending this week. So everything's in the bio. All right, so Abby, hopefully you're watching, man. Yeah, I like it, bro. I don't have any words for it. It looks good. We have empty space above us. Looks like we're getting that nice closure that we do need. So kind of want to see at the end of the day if we can still stay above, man. And yeah, looks like we got empty space that is clearly above us. So it looks really decent, I would say. Not too bad. So yeah, if you can, just remind me end of day. I already have it written down, but we can go over it on my last live stream too. Fig. Okay. So FIG, this looks good. Clear gap down there. All right. Yeah, my bad, guys. I like this as well. Bottom wall there. Yeah, looks good. Kind of want to see end of day. So yes, we already closed above, I believe, what, on Friday? So Friday we closed above. I see that we ended up rejecting this level. So if this next candle at the end of the day, if we can get this continuation and this break outside this wall, I would love to see if we can hit these targets to this upside. So actually looks really good. We'll have to see how things play out on that. All right, Nike downside. Dang, where is the downside on Nike here? Let me see. So I see the 4 hour. Let me look at a 1 hour. Let me see. See if there's any trouble here. All right. Okay, I got it. Yeah, I got it. So downside on Nike, this is what I can see here. Top, bottom wall, empty space under this 56.42. Personally, I would try down to that 55.62. So that's another little move that I can see, which doesn't look too bad. We'll just have to see how things can play out with this. So it looks really, really good. Not too bad there. All right, cool. All right, perfect. SOFI trying to come back too. Let me see here. SOFI 20. I think I did this on a 4 hour. Let me see where we're at. All right, let's see. Okay, yeah, I can see it. Yeah, above that 27.79 looks good. Do want to see that upside, which doesn't look too bad. KSS, yo, Glossworks, what's up? So it looks like, hold on. Okay, I still like it. I'm going to tweak this up just a bit here. So pretty much still going to be the same box. Just got to tweak up this level a bit. Want to see us pressing under this 2204, and then yeah, empty spaces to this downside to this 1877, and then that 1546. So it looks good. Not too bad there. KSS. All right. All right, all right. All right, yes, guys. Thank you all so much for tuning back in to the live stream. I do want to try one more, but, you know, we might have to wait for a couple of these trades here. So, yes, pretty much just going to be in the Discord. I will be on live. My last live stream for the end of day swing is going to finalize those. So if you want to pull up to the next live stream, last hour for that. If you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have these codes that will be ending very soon. You can just scroll up and see what we did on the queues today, what we did on a few of these trades, and yeah, today was a great day, man. So gonna look for one more, and then yeah, end of day swings. If you want to join, links in the bio. If you don't want to join, no worries. I'll see you all end of day. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.